Been having a lot of trouble with health problems. It all started as persistent urinary tract infections. Okay, so look at this. It's consistently having kidney problems. Well, what's going on here? Kidneys are not filtering themselves. So it's beyond just not filtering the body. They're not filtering themselves. So this is a little more serious. You take a look at your creatinine in your blood and see where you're at with this. But this is telling me that you have a chance here to break down kidney and bladder tissue. You got to back up, get on that raw, get that soothing anti-inflammatory antacid chemistry going through those kidneys and that bladder. Some of the little astringents to start pulling. Get on some herbs that soothe, that strengthen, that pull on those kidneys. Get the adrenals up. Absolutely. 1 year ago, they discovered that it was an E. coli infection. Now, everybody's got E. coli to a certain extent, which was causing the UTI. Here we go. Let's just blame someone else. And now I have a mild nephritis, so to speak, with the kidney, left kidney. I took your Parasite M formula, the kidneys and lymph 2 formulas, and for about 2 months I was not having any pain or whatsoever. Well, see, that's what you do. You have to clean and keep cleaning and keep cleaning. But now the pain is back and it hurts a lot while urinating. Even when I try to stay still, doing nothing, it can't even tell me where I've... Okay, so I would get the Heal All tea and the 3-lung tea. I'd mix those two, and I'd be running that, filtering through my kidneys. I'd be drinking that off and on all day long, filtering through my kidneys. I'd definitely go on a great fast, start pulling and cleaning that. Parasite M is a good take. I'd do kidney number 1 capsules, and I would do kidney number 2 liquids. At the same time, I'd do lymphatic 1 capsules, and I'd go right in there, and I'd do, say, lymphatic 4. At that, I would go after that bowel. GI broom, start cleaning up that bowel. You can have a back feed into the kidneys from the bowels. So clean up those bowels, clean up those kidneys, and you'll get well. You saw already how what started to get you well. Just tear it up and go that way. Hi, Dr. Morse. I've been getting a lot of UTIs. Now, again, the UTIs, this also could be coming from inside the lymph system in your wall of your kidneys or bladder. That's interstitial. All these levels around the cells are interstitial. So you could have interstitial lymphatic constipation, just what we were talking about, in the wall of the kidney or bladder, and it's burning because they're acids. So they're burning you from that. So really get on the kidney formulas. I'd do probably at least 2, and also start moving my lymph more aggressively, especially within those tissues itself, because in actuality, the kidneys and bladder tissue, they have to filter too. And if the kidneys aren't filtering properly, they don't filter themselves properly, they go down too. That's where you get the polycystic kidney syndromes and all these new names for all these multiple cysts and tumors. Okay, but that's all lymph. And that's what you have to move out of there, and even in the kidney. So I would do that. If I was juicing, I would juice parsley, dandelion green. Definitely get up on the beet bulbs. Use the beet bulbs, even some beet tops if you want, and really go after it in that way. Grape juice, grape juice, grape juice. Take Parasite M too. That'll help with any candida or any fungal problems in that respect. But this is more of an acid lymphatic problem than it is a bacterial problem. Bacteria doesn't cause mucus, they break it down. And I hope that helps you out. But again, you've got to get your kidneys filtering. Remember what's on top of the kidneys, the adrenal glands. Never forget the twins, and the adrenals control it. So the problem is always in the adrenal glands, but that reflects and makes the problem in the kidneys, and the problems in the lymph, and then it just goes on that way. Yeah, this is the one with the urinary tract infections. Get herbs, it'll help you quicker. It'll really help you quicker. That'd be a case where you do 2 kidney formulas, you do a parasite formula for fungus and stuff. But this isn't the problem, this is the effect. It's the lymph system, the sewage that the kidneys isn't filtering. You don't fix this right, honey, you're going to lose your kidneys someday. And this isn't what you want to do. You want to fix these kidneys and make them healthy. So a lot of grapes. Put yourself on a watermelon fast. If you're using greens, you always use parsley, dandelion green, and beet bulbs. You can use the greens too, but beet, parsley, and dandelion greens. All urinary tract, all adrenal glands. Beets also pick up the liver there. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, it's just lymph and kidneys. Acids burn. That's all I can tell you is acids burn. So every child should have a lymphatic 1 liquid, kidney 1 liquid, parasite M just a little while to clean out any of the funguses and stuff. And endocrine glands would be a beautiful one. You could do kidneys, lymphatics, little parasitic work there for a little while, and endocrine glands, very safe, real beautiful formula for them.